As usual, I love having my mom back, Diane Hunter, representing those Callaways, which we love.
Yes, we do. And one of the things I'd like to tell everybody today before I tell them about a house is that they really should go to their website, thosecallaways.com.
They have an amazing website.
So much that they can see. And naturally, they could buy one of the houses we show, but there's so many other ones that they want to.
Yeah, whether it's buying or selling, they definitely need to go to the website because there is a lot for them to go. But I know you have a really cool house to talk about today.
I have a very special home today, and it is a must-see. It's situated in Scottsdale, and this unbelievable home is in a gorgeous gated estate and on over an acre corner cul-de-sac lot.
Oh, nice.
Yes, it is. This luxury home has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, and over 4,700 square feet of living space.
It's beautiful.
You'll love the grand open space living room where a wall of sliding glass exits brings the outdoor into the home. And it's magnificent with soaring tray ceilings and charming archways. Isn't this just gorgeous?
It really is.
The spacious family room is open to the kitchen, and it has an entertainment center and stone surround fireplace. There's also an en-suite bedroom, perfect for guests, and a 4-car tandem garage with epoxy floors.
Oh, nice.
You'll find more surprises when you visit this home in person, too. And very well priced at only $749,000.
Oh, wow, that's fantastic for that area. So people definitely, they need to go check that one out, or if they want anything else, they definitely need to call those Callaways.
Absolutely.
Thank you.